Jersey forget-me-not is so called because it's found in Jersey, but it also is found across Europe. However, Jersey is the northernmost point of its range and it's not found anywhere else in the British Isles. It's a really precious plant and there's not many of them left. It's gone extinct from one of the 2 known locations, and as a result, lots of conservation efforts are underway to try and save this beautiful little flower. A recovery plan has been written for the Jersey forget-me-not. This plan and much of the actions have been carried out by Anne Hayden and the Société Botany section. Since 2023, Anne has been working hard to boost the population from fluctuating numbers within the teens to over 50 individuals in 2025. It's been a huge collaboration between Samaray Manor, the Government of Jersey, the Jersey Biodiversity Centre and Kew Garden.
Since 2023, we've been working hard rather than simply monitoring what's left. The plants have been propagated and reintroduced remaining population at Noirmont, giving the existing population a better chance of survival. 2025 marked a step forward. Following the newly published Jersey forget-me-not species recovery plan, we moved to a 2-pathway approach, restoring the ecosystem and removing, if possible, some of the invasive plants that are found at Noirmont. And for the first time, some individual plants have been reintroduced back to Wayne, where they'd not been seen for many years. This work would not be possible without the dedication from committed volunteers. Further funding would allow knowledge gaps about the Jersey forget-me-not's ecology and the habitat requirements that this plant needs to grow, and also to try and expand the reintroduction programme and plant it in other places around Wayne. It would mean that what's been started, 40 plants in 2025, to eventually become perhaps even 400, and a self-sustaining population.